They built another apartment for rent. I think it's good business if they do so many apartments. This is Hala block. One Hala block from 7 peso to 11 peso. Dog. Another apartment. So many apartments here.